Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know some apps on your iPhone are tracking your exact location 24 hours on a day, even when you're not using them? Here's how to check which ones and turn it off right now. First, go to settings and then scroll down and tap privacy and security. Then go to location services. Now, this will show you every single app that has access to your location. Scroll through and look for any app that is set to always. Then, once you see the app, those are the ones tracking you all the time. Tap on any app you do not want tracking you, change it from always to while using the app or never. While using means it can only see your location when you have the app open. Never means it can never access your location at all. Go through the whole list and change anything you do not trust to either while using or never. Also, at the top of the list, tap on System Services if Apple's own features are using your location. You can turn off the ones you do not want, like significant locations and iPhone analytics. So, all you've got to do is go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, change every always allowed to while using or never. Your location stays private. Subscribe for more.